fashion finds.
Ivy's leaving for school again.
I'm very excited.
She's very excited. Me, not so much. We talked about like a few fun looks for you, right?
College campus looks.
I went to school in the 90s. What if we like do a 90s?
I think we should try it. I like art, and I'm going to be taking some art history classes. I don't know if it's annoying, but I honestly think it's funny.
Annoying is good. It's better to be talked about than not talked about at all, yes?
I don't love this dress,
It's so cute.
but I want to wear this on top because I feel like that's very nice.
And you know how matchy-matchy your mother is, right?
Oh, God.
I know, I'm very matchy-matchy. I can't help myself. I found this skirt in Charleston at Eli's College in a market. How stunning is this?
Very beautiful.
Right, with the cobalt. And the 90s were all about maxis. It was minis and maxis. Oh, it's so Bridget Bardot. Do you even know who that is?
Not a clue.
That's just sad.
I'll learn.
So this proportionally...
It's not great.
It's not great, right? Because it's 2 and 1.
Yeah.
You want to bring it down to like 2.5 and a half. I'm not good in math, but you know what I mean. Look how cute it is now, right?
Yeah, it's much better.
Except you're going to freeze your legs. I have an idea. You know what they are?
Leg warmers.
Leg warmers! Back in the day, the way we wore them, you had this micro mini skirt, which you are already wearing.
This is not a micro mini.
It's a micro mini to me. You literally only want just a little peek of skin showing through, so then you're nice and warm. It's really cute. Will you start singing Britney Spears? Oops, I did it again. You need shoes. What about the purple clogs?
I kind of like these, especially.
Right?
Oh, look, it's like the same.
I
shoe.
know. Try them on. You need a tote because you're going to school. I am going to go even more matchy and do this little crossbody. Can I wear this when we install you into your dorm?
Can we go up and down like this? Can we swap? 3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
Yeah. I think you look adorable.
Giving very Paris Hilton.
Paris Hilton.
A little bit with the leg warmers. I think.
Okay. All right. She was cute too.
You know what else this bag is good for?
What?
My laptop and my laundry.
Yes. It's big enough for more than your laptop and your laundry.
Oh, I can also sling it. I didn't realize that.
Well, yes, it's a full-on crossbody. I like it like that, actually.
I kind of do too.
You see, you have to try things on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're good to go. We have to pack.
I need to
it
pack
away.
all my stuff.
Okay, bye. Have a good one.